Most Android phones, especially Samsung devices, come with powerful built-in features that are not always visible at first glance. These hidden settings can unlock advanced controls, improve usability, and give you more customization over your device. Below are some useful hidden Android settings explained in a simple and practical way. Hidden settings 1. Developer options. Developer options is one of the most powerful hidden menus in Android. It is mainly designed for developers, but regular users can also benefit from it. To activate it, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone and scroll down to About Phone or About Device. Tap Software Information, then locate the build number. Tap on it 7 times continuously. You will see a countdown message showing how many taps are left. After completing it, enter your PIN, password, or pattern when asked. A confirmation message will appear saying developer mode has been turned on. Now return to the main settings menu and scroll down. You will find developer options just below About Phone. Inside this menu, you can control animation speed, enable USB debugging, and even optimize background apps for better performance. Hidden settings 2. Palm swipe screenshot. Taking screenshots becomes easier with gestures. Go to Settings, then open Advanced Features. Tap on Motions and Gestures and enable palm swipe to capture. Once activated, simply place the edge of your hand on either side of the screen and swipe across it. The screen will flash and you will hear a shutter sound or feel a vibration, confirming the screenshot. This is a fast alternative to button combinations. Hidden settings 3. Hidden apps feature. If you want to keep apps private, Samsung allows you to hide them without uninstalling. Long press on an empty space on your home screen and tap Settings. Then select Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Choose the apps you want to hide from the list. Once selected, tap Done. These apps will no longer appear in your app drawer or home screen, but they are still installed and can be accessed using search when needed. Hidden settings 4. Call background customization. You can personalize your calling screen with photos or videos. Open the phone app and tap the 3-dot menu in the top corner, then go to Settings. Select Call Background. If you are using dual SIM, choose the SIM you want to customize. Tap Background and select an image or video from your gallery. You can even trim videos or enable sound if desired. Once done, tap Set as Call Background to apply it. This makes your calling screen more visually appealing and personal. Hidden settings 5. Dual Messenger. Dual Messenger lets you run 2 accounts of the same app on one device. Go to Settings, then Advanced Features and select Dual Messenger. You will see supported apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and Snapchat. Turn on the toggle for the app you want to duplicate. Confirm by tapping Install and agreeing to the disclaimer. After setup, a second icon of the app will appear, allowing you to use 2 separate accounts easily, perfect for separating personal and work life. These hidden Android settings can significantly enhance your phone experience once you start using them regularly.